Hey everyone, it's Rock Friday here at the Brunfree House. And let's go in the workshop and check out and see how the rocks have turned out in the polisher. Let's go. Jay's already in there. So today on the board, we are taking out tumbler number 5. It has been in the polish for 2 weeks and it's due out today. Now, tumbler number 6 went in for repair. That's why we've got the green lines. So tumbler number 6 is out of commission just for a little while, but nothing has been lost. Let's take out everything out of tumbler number 5 and then we'll decide what we're going to do with it down here. Rightio, let's have a look. Right, get this undone. Right, let's get this rinsed and see what's inside. Wow, look at that. This has been in the polisher for 2 weeks now, 2 whole weeks. So this is going to be pretty exciting. Let's get them out, get it all rinsed. Let's give this a really good rinse. I am seeing some pretty nice things in there. If you've been following the channel, you might recognise some of these rocks. Turn the water down a little bit. And this is going to go into burnishing for about 2 hours. And then these will be done. How amazing do they look already? Wow. Wow, look at this one. That is just beautiful. Wow. So all going back in the tumbler for about 2 hours for burnishing. Look at that pudding stone. That has come up a treat. Oh wow, these are just going to be amazing once they've been burnished. Look at that. Some beautiful, beautiful rocks. Just gorgeous. Oh, I think this one might be one of the favourites. Very nice. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Okay, let's get these back in the tumbling machine and get the burnish process happening. We'll see you in a couple of hours. Back on for 2 hours. Right, the burnishing process is done. I'm going to rinse all this out, give it a wash, let's see how we go. All cleaned up and finished and polished. Just going to separate them from the ceramics. These are the ceramics. We don't need those. Just going to pop these out of the basket into a container of water and have a really good look at them. Just going to dry them all off now and have a look. And when they're dried, they end up looking kind of like that, and they feel really smooth and really shiny, really pretty.